Hi, welcome to Padai Planet. And let me just share my screen so that we can start the discussions today on our next question of circles. So here we are. The question says that there is a quadrilateral and that is AOCB such that O is the center of the circle, right? And point A, B, and C are lying on the same segment of the circle, right? So this is what we will remember here. Now let's get the question here on this figure, and this is our center say, and that is marked as O, and 3 points are lying on the same segment of the circle. So let me just mark it like this, and suppose this is A, this is B, and we have this as C. Now what we can do is we'll connect these to make our quadrilateral, and I'll connect A with O, and I'll connect O with C. Then I'm connecting B and C together, and then finally I'm connecting A and B also, right? Now, what they're saying in the question is that chord AB, this is the chord, right? AB is extended till point A. Now, this is extended further, and say that's, E here. Now, what they're saying is given is angle AOC, that is equal to 120 degree. So, this angle is given as 120 degree, right? This is 120 degree, and we need to find out the angle CBE. Now that is C, then we have B, and then we have E. So we are talking about this angle. This is the angle which we need to find out, right? So we will just do it right away. Now, as I told you earlier also, that in circle questions look very complicated, but it's a matter of theorems, and if we don't have a good practice on these theorems, it will be difficult for us to solve the questions. So you'll just see it will be solved in 2-3 steps, and we'll get the answer quickly. Now what we need to do is we need to draw a construction, and say and that's a chord which I am making, and that chord is AC, right? That's the chord which I have made here. Now, we also take one point here somewhere on the circle, and we connect A with this point, and then we also connect this point with C. And suppose this point is D, we mark it as D. Now, we have this angle also. Now, as we have already, understood in various theorems and in various questions, that there is a theorem that if the chord is AC, right, then we know that angle subtended at the center by this chord, that is angle AOC in this case, is always double the angle of angle subtended on the center of the circle. So that is ADC. That is ADC, right? This ADC. So this angle is always double of this particular angle, and hence we can say that this is 60 degree, right? So we can write, therefore angle ADC is equal to 60 degree, right? So with the help of this theorem, we found this out, and now we will consider another figure, and that's the quadrilateral which we have. And this quadrilateral, you know, we have one quadrilateral which is AOCB, but now I'm going to talk about quadrilateral ABCD. And this is a co-cyclic quadrilateral. And I hope you guys know what is a co-cyclic quadrilateral. Co-cyclic quadrilateral is a quadrilateral whose all 4 points are lying on a particular circle, right? Like this. So when we connect all these 4 points, that makes a quadrilateral. And since all these 4 points are lying on the same circle, so this is basically a co-cyclic quadrilateral. And in a co-cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of opposite angles is always equal to 180 degree. And that means the sum of this angle and this angle, right? Because this is another opposite angle of the quadrilateral, will be 180 degree. All right. So or we can also write that angle ADC plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. So let's find out angle ABC from here, and that will be 180 degree minus 60 degree, and that makes it 120 degree, right? Now, if we get this as 120 degree, then to find out this angle is very simple. That will be simply 180 degree minus 120 degree, because AB was simply extended to point E, and this is equal to 60 degree finally, right? So this is how we have solved this question. I hope you guys understood this, and I'll be coming up soon with the next video. Keep watching Padai Planet. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.